In recent times, public speaking has gradually moved from on stage to online video. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to connect and engage with your audience, even on an online webinar. Let's begin. Hello there, and welcome back to The Prestige, where we help you sharpen your through the stage. So you have to be able to make that connection with them so that they actually don't get bored. In order to avoid losing their attention, you're going to have to do something that we usually do on our YouTube videos. So you know how you're watching us and we jump scene or we jump cuts or we put a B-roll photo over the picture and you're still hearing my voice? Now we're going to do something very similar. While you're speaking, you're going to be playing some PowerPoints and slides so that the audience can actually see what you're saying and you can paint a picture to them. So using this PowerPoint and slide will help you to, one, paint the picture so that the audience can see it clearly, and two, help you to bridge that gap of loneliness and prevent them from getting bored. Hey guys, so if you're getting value out of this video so far, I want you to do me a favor by turning the notifications on and clicking the subscribe button. Remember, it's free. So we've been talking about how to make that connection with your audience. Now, we are going to go into engaging them. I'm going to show you ways in which you can engage your audience so that you can bring them into your presentation. The best ways for you to do this is to actually make your presentation interactive. Having that audience engagement is what's going to catapult your video from just being one boring average video to being an amazing, great presentation. One of my favorite ways to actually engage my audience is by asking them a question. When you ask them a question, some of them are eager to respond, while some of them are actually more timid. But if you ask them the question, you're getting them involved, so it works a lot. The next thing you could also do is by using fun and interesting games. Right now, you guys are like, games? That sounds childish. In a way, it does sound childish, but the truth is, it works. In my last presentation, I was asked to speak to a couple of guys in India about how to improve their public speaking skills and how to prevent getting stage fright. So one of them asked me,